This video will show you how to organize and create learning roles. You'll learn how to create learning role groups and how to create a learning role itself. This video will review the Learning Roles Management interface. The easiest way to access Learning Role Management is to select Roles from the LMS admin menu. Learning roles are used to support and automate content assignment to different groups of learners. Depending on your implementation, you may just need a few learning roles, or you might need hundreds. The Accord LMS Role Group feature helps create an organized structure for your roles. LMS administrators should start with a plan to organize their learning roles and role groups. For this example, we've decided to group learning roles by learner type and content. Our customer group includes roles that assign product training, a support group, and product documentation. The employee compliance group includes roles that automatically assign one time, as well as recurring compliance courses. The green check mark shows that the first aid and CPR refresher has rules which govern its automatic assignment. Each of these roles could include a due date or reactivation dates that would periodically renew the training. We also have role groups for management roles, new hire training, and another for specifically onboarding our sales channel partners and providing any resources that they might need. Learning role groups do not impact who can be assigned specific roles. They're simply a helpful way to organize your learning roles. To create a learning role group, make sure that you're on the Learning Roles Management interface. You may select to associate a role group with a specific team by choosing the team from the Active Team dropdown. By default, child teams inherit groups and roles from the teams above them in the team hierarchy. In most cases, it's fine to place your role group in the All Members team. If you change your mind later, you can assign or remove access to your role group from any teams in which you are a member. To add a new group, click the Add New Group button. Name your new group. The name must be unique and not already used by another role group. It's a good idea to enter a description of how you plan to use this role group. It may be helpful in the future when you or other team members are creating roles. Now click Update, and that's all there is. You've created a new role group. Now that we've created a new role group, let's create a role. First, select the role group where we'll be storing our learning role. In this case, we'll use the one we just created. To create a learning role, click on Add New Role. Now, you're required to provide a unique name for your new role. While it's not necessarily required, you can add a description of your role that describes its intended purpose as well as the types of content managed by the role and for which types of learners. You have several options when creating a learning role. If you'd like to move the role to a different group, you can do that by simply choosing a different group from the role group name field. Include Social Group will automatically create a private discussion group in the community and grant assigned learners membership. Group members can post questions, comments, upload pictures, and post documents. Groups can be very useful if you wish to encourage social learning for a specific training program. LE tracking options is an important option that will affect the results returned in your reports. Accord LMS tracks every time a learner attempts to complete a course. This field determines whether the system will track all attempts to complete the learning elements associated with this role, or only track attempts until the learning element has been successfully completed. There are 4 other sections which we'll be exploring in our upcoming videos: membership rules and managing due dates and renewals. For now, we'll just click on Update to finish creating our role. Finally, here's how you can edit or delete existing role groups or learning roles. To edit a learning role, click on the pencil and paper icon to the left of the role. To update learning role properties, make any adjustments that you'd like to make, and then click the blue Update button. If you'd like to delete the role, just click the Delete button at the bottom of the page. Deleting a role will remove the link that connects learners in this role with the assigned learning content. Deleting a role will not affect learners' attempt or completion history. However, you will not be able to run future reports grouped by the deleted learning role. You can change the title and description or delete a learning role group by clicking on the pen and paper icon to the right of the group name. You cannot delete a group until all learning roles have been removed. Thanks for watching this short video tutorial. You should now know how to create role groups to organize your learning roles and how to create a basic learning role. In future videos, we'll show you how to set all of the important properties to make your learning roles work for you.